Asian golden weaver. The Asian golden weaver, Ploceus hypoxanthus, is a small passerine bird that is a member of the weaver family Ploceidae. It is native to tropical Southeast Asia, where it can be found in countries such as Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia. This bird is known for its striking golden plumage, and males are particularly striking during breeding season, when they develop bright orange plumage on their head and breast. They are typically found in lowland forests, but can also be found in nearby cultivated areas. They build nests that are made of woven grasses and hanging from branches of trees or bushes. Appearance. The Asian golden weaver is a medium-sized bird with yellow and black upper parts, along with yellow underparts. The breeding male is generally bright yellow with a black mask. Females, non-breeding males, and young birds are dull-colored and difficult to distinguish from the Baya Weaver, with their thicker bills being the only thing that sets them apart. It is widely believed that Asian golden weavers are monogamous and form pairs. They breed in small colonies, and the nest is initially created by the male and completed with the assistance of the female. Their nest is a rounded structure with a side entrance and woven from thin strips of grass or palm leaves. Nests are firmly attached to vegetation over water or very swampy ground, often less than 1 m above the surface, usually in reeds or bulrushes. Sometimes nests are placed in trees or shrubs and then higher than 2 m above the ground. The female lays from 2 to 3 eggs, and these eggs often have a grayish-white color. While being grown, the eggs can also grow to an average size of 188 mm by 13.5 mm. Incubation is done by the female only, and upon hatching, the chicks are fed mainly by the female, with occasional assistance by the male. Hope you like our video. Please press share the video, or leave a comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.